Hi, I'm Emily Springer with My Mini Casa. Today we're going to learn about how to use the tool, which is My Mini Casa's online sales software. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the price tool. Once logged into the system, you're going to see your agent calendar. This is going to keep you up to date on training, current happenings within the company, and any deals we have going on. Make sure that you check here daily to verify what's on the agenda for the day. From this initial page, there are several options. First, we're going to go over how to get a quote. You'll select this Fulfillment by My Mini Casa hyperlink. This is the price tool, where we generate quotes for customers as well as for ads. In order to pull up the price, you have to enter all of the fields. You'll go ahead and enter a phone number for yourself or a customer, the zip code in which they wish to have the container delivered or the price that you're trying to pull, the condition of the container, salvaged, used, or new. If they want a 1-year guarantee, you'll select that here. Container size, the quantity in which they wish to purchase, and the unload type which they wish to use. Rush delivery would expedite their delivery based on the time frames they need. You select that here. Tax exempt if that applies to the customer, and then get prices. When you choose the get price option, it pulls up the 5 closest depots to you. In these depots, you'll see a variety of prices as well as delivery totals. When selecting the invoice for the customer, you want to make sure that you're getting them the best price possible. However, if they're a pickup order, they need to select the warehouse in which they wish to pick up from. And the total in this column here is what you would quote the customer in order for them to make a payment.